Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall continue with our biology paper 1 2023. The previous video I ended on question 20, so we are going to continue from 21 to up to 40. Okay, please just make sure that you watch this video until it ends, and don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you in advance. Okay, question 21. When the nervous system responds to a stimulus, there are several stages leading to the response. The following are the stages. Here we have the central nervous system processes the information. The second one, the receptors detect the stimulus. Third, a nerve impulse is sent to the central nervous system. Fourth, a response is produced. Fifth, a nerve impulse is sent to the muscles. What is the correct order of the stages? So the correct order is going to be, first of all, the receptor needs to detect the stimulus. So we are going to go with the receptors detect the stimulus. Oh, sorry, the answer is the receptors detect the stimulus. A nerve impulse is sent to the central nervous system. Then the central nervous system processes the information. Then a nerve impulse is sent to the muscles. After that, now a response is produced. Okay, we go to the end question. The diagram shows a lens that is used to correct a defect in a human eye. Which defect is corrected by this lens? So if you look at the lens, that's a convex lens, and we have an eye. So the eye defect that is corrected by wearing the spectacle because of the convex lens is called hyporia. Sorry, hypopia. Yeah. So it is commonly called far-sightedness. So as in this convex lens, it's correct this defect. So here the answer is long sight. Then we have 23. The diagram shows part of a mammalian skeleton. Part of mammalian skeleton. So we have the femur and the bill. Our question states that which of the following correctly identifies the bone labeled W and the type of skeleton? So W is the fibula, and this is part of the endoskeleton. So the answer is A. We go on question 24. The diagram show an experiment carried out in order to establish the process of tropism in plants before and after. Okay, what type of tropism was exhibited by the shoot of the potted plant? A negative, A negative geotropism, B negative phototropism, C positive geotropism, D positive hydrotropism. So as in the movement of plant stem away from the soil in the upward direction is an example of a negative geotropism. So for this one, before it was like this, then after 1 week, it was moving up towards the light, up. So this is negative geotropism. Positive geotropism is where the shoot, this one, moves towards the soil. So if it were moving downward, it could be positive, but this is negative geotropism. Yeah. The movement of roots towards the soil is an example of positive geotropism. as in the movement of plant stem away from the in the upward direction is an example of negative geotropism. Go on question 25. The diagram shows the early growth of the green plant P and Q. What is occurring in the diagram from P to Q? So as in from the from this P this diagram from P to Q. In order for this plant to reach this level, mitosis needs to take place and development also needs to take place. So the answer is A. Some seeds were shown in 4 dishes under different conditions as shown in the table. We have yeah, this is our table. In which dish will the seeds germinate most rapidly? One of the best kept gardening secrets of so encourages faster germination. This is because seeds helps seeds germinate faster. Soaking seeds exposed to the embryo to moisture, helping it to break through the shell and emerge. So it's very important for the seeds to be, in water or in a wet. It might be dish or something else, and the temperature should be high. So 4 is conducive for this question. So here the answer is going to be 4. Then we have the diagram shows asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Then what name is given to this type of asexual reproduct reproduction? Yeah. So here the answer is binary fission. That that's the answer. Then we go on question 28. The diagram shows one method of artificial vegetative propagation. What type of artificial vegetative propagation is demonstrated in the diagram? So this is budding. The reason why it is budding or bud grafting, budding is a form of vegetative or clonal plant propagation by which an exact replicant of the parent plant is produced, as in as what was happening here. You can see that it has been produced as the the same plant, the same replicant. That's what budding is, or bud grafting. Then we go on 28. The diagram shows some parts of a flower. Where are the male gametes produced? They're produced on the anther, pollen grains. So here the answer is C. Which fruit will be dispensed by wind? Which fruit will be dispensed by wind? Wind dispensed fruits are lightweight and may have wings, yeah, that allow them to be carried by the wind. Some have a parachute like structure to keep them afloat. Some fruits such as the dandelion have hairy, weightless structures that are suited to dispense by the wind. So here the answer is B, lightweight and as a wing. Okay. Have a maximum of 10 minutes, or my time limit is 10 minutes. So here we are on 9 minutes something. Okay, let me just pause this video and make another one. But please don't forget to subscribe and give and leave a comment, and make sure that you like. Yeah, thank you.